What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin here again today because we are continuing to trade up here with Dogecoin. So I hope everyone is making profits here, because I'm definitely making sure I lock in some profits here, because you always want to sell at these peaks and then buy the dips, and that's kind of what I've been doing here, just acquiring more and more Doge. But a few non-successful trades here and there, but for the most part having all really good successful trades. So that's really good right now. But what we're looking at here is where we're going at right now with the chart. And right now, yes, we are going up on this uptrend here, and this is a really good uptrend that we have going, because we are not wanting to fall below these lines. So look at this, we keep having this resistance here. We had resistance at 66 cents back here, but also back here we had previous resistance at 64 cents, and I was just waiting for it, and then I seen that we broke it, so I knew we were about to go crazy, so I had to get this down. But yeah, we're going crazy still with Dogecoin, and we are at the dip. So right now is where I'm already in right now, so we're gonna continue to ride it up. So yeah, we're definitely doing some good numbers here in Dogecoin. And when we look at our market cap, we have $83.8 billion in market cap and $23.8 billion in the last 24 hours in trading volume. So that is a lot of money going through Dogecoin right now, a lot of money going through. And what we keep seeing constantly, the money that's going through, a lot of it is sell orders here with Doge right now. There are a lot of whales selling Doge, but they're also buying Doge. So yeah, these whales are selling and they are buying Doge at fast rates. They're doing it like almost like a bot, like it's a bot buying and selling a bunch of Doge, because some of them just have so many buying and sell orders that it's just impossible for one person to do it all. So it's either an exchange or a bot. Like, look at this, they're still buying and selling even at 62 cents. They're still going. So yeah, this is a lot. They haven't sold since 62 cents, and as you can see, we're at 63. So they definitely know something that we don't. So that they haven't sold out yet since they bought these big positions here, that's really good news. Because yeah, that's just really good news that they bought in at 62 cents and they're still holding. So 63 cents, this means that this is a good area to get in at, considering they haven't sold yet. So this is really a good area if you want to get in here. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but yeah, I've already gotten in around 63.60, 63.50, somewhere around there. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to ride this up until tomorrow, because we know coming into tomorrow, just like with Doge Day, coming into Doge Day we had a dip because the whale seen an opportunity. So just coming into the day fresh off of the rip, 1 a.m, we will probably see a dip coming in. Well, 12, but 12 going into 1, we'll see probably a small dip, and that is probably where you would want to sell, like right before that time if you are doing day trades, and then buy right after the dip. And then depending on where that is going to be, we don't know, but we definitely see that we're going to continue to rise here before we get that dip. So that is a really good thing right here, that we're continuing to rise before we get a dip leading into the next day. Because if we do dip when we finally get up to here and reach that previous resistance, if we get all the way up to 68 cents today, that means when we go into the day, we will probably dip somewhere around 66 cents or 63 cents. So this is probably what we could see leading into the next day, going into the day strong right at 60, all the way up here 68 cents, and then right into the day people just start selling off, and then that's when we start getting more people coming back in, because they're like, Doge Day, or not Doge Day, but the Saturday Night Live is gonna happen. And then after the Saturday Night Live happens, that's when we're probably gonna get the drop, after we get all this increase. So yeah, after we get a lot of increase, we always are followed by a drop of Doge. That is usually how we see it. But yeah, this trend line has not steered us wrong. I've been following this for a while here, and I've been day trading it, and I've been making money here and there with it. But that's just to say that this is a good trend line that we're following here. I don't see us breaking it until the end of the day. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So what I mean by I don't see it breaking until the end of the day, I don't see us falling below this line until the end of the day. So even if we traded sideways, we wouldn't just go like this. We would more than likely go sideways until we hit here, and then we would just get random buying pressure, because it would just be a consolidation period, and then buying pressure would come in because people would see opportunities and it would go straight up, and then from there sideways and something like that. But yeah, that's usually kind of how it does with how it happens with this stuff. But this is kind of what we're seeing with Dogecoin. It's been trading like this all day, which is good. We've been having huge jumps all day long, and they haven't even been because Elon Musk, but we have had Saturday Night Live tweets and other stuff like that. But you got to see that we're not even really we're not even trending on not Google, but Twitter here. But we are trending with Elon Musk's name, but not necessarily Dogecoin. So what we are seeing is that Dogecoin is trending in a way, but not directly. So I guess it is affecting the price still. So we're still getting these huge jumps, because whenever people talk about Elon Musk, they also talk about Dogecoin, because that is one of the biggest things that he is involved with right now, especially when dealing with finance. But yeah, this is where we are at with it right now. And even Elon Musk, he hasn't really tweeted anything, but we have seen the retweet that he did, so that does count for something. Saturday Night Live tweeting it, they have a lot of fans too, not as much as Elon, but as they continue to post stuff like this is just promotion, so they know something's gonna happen. And you can kind of see how Elon Musk is dressed right here. You can kind of tell he's gonna do something along the Doge father like side. So actually, let's open this in a new tab and like zoom in here. So I don't know, maybe that symbol kind of looks like a G, so maybe it could be symbolizing like the Godfather, but this does look like something that would be worn in like the Godfather right here that he's wearing. So the Doge father, this is kind of looking like it's going to be an actual thing. I don't think they're just gonna flake out on this. Like, this looks real. They're already recording or prepping what they're gonna be doing. So this is really big here. So they're already getting these skits done, and we know they're gonna do something on the Doge father. So that could be why this whale here bought so many Doge and then not sell any. Probably because Elon Musk just now did all that. So they just decided to buy, hold it, not sell. And not all whales are moving the same way. Some whales are buying and selling, but these whales here, they're selling more than they're buying. But they did do a lot of buying back here. But yeah, it's always good to check out what these whales are doing. If you want to look at this website, it's called bitinfocharts.com. So yeah, you would just go there, and then we have the rich list up here for all of the stuff. Even Bitcoin, you can see who's the top Bitcoin holder, and yeah, the top Bitcoin address and a bunch of stuff like that. Where is the you would go over to the rich list where we are at, and then Bitcoin rich list, and as you can see, the top Bitcoin address has 1.13% of the coins, which is why people like Bitcoin over Doge. Some people, but I still like Doge, because Doge 28.37% is owned by one person, so that is a bit of a concern here. But talking about Bitcoin a little bit here, as you can see, the last Bitcoin purchased by the top Bitcoin wallet was 2 days ago, or 3 days ago actually. So that is I guess you could say good news for Bitcoin here, saying that they just bought all that Bitcoin 4 days or 3 days ago here. 8,000 Bitcoin coming out to be like 540. So wow, they're really doubling down the top Bitcoin wallet. I wonder who owns the top Bitcoin wallet. I'm pretty sure that's easy to find out. Let's see, Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's top 10 richest Bitcoin owners in the years. The creator of Bitcoin are named. So yeah, top Bitcoin wallet there. But yeah, I guess that is why he is buying more Bitcoin here. That's a lot of Bitcoin that he's buying. But enough of Bitcoin. This is really about Dogecoin here. So Dogecoin's rich list, as we already know, whoever this top person is, they don't seem to be buying or selling Dogecoin much, because as you can see, these are just small increments, $4, 61 cents. So these are just transactions, I guess, that this top wallet has done today. Some few dollar transactions. So they're probably buying stuff with Dogecoin. So it's definitely someone who's optimistic with Dogecoin, because they're buying stuff with Dogecoin. They're not selling, or well, no, they're not buying stuff with Dogecoin. Actually, they're selling stuff with Dogecoin because the money's coming in. So they're selling stuff with Dogecoin. We see plus 2 Dogecoin, plus 2 Dogecoin, plus 1 Dogecoin. So a lot of transactions are happening for this top wallet. Whoever this is selling products or a service or something online. Or these are could just be exchange fees. But we know that it's not Robinhood because Robinhood confirmed that it does not have that much in Dogecoin. So we know this is not Robinhood 100% here. And we also know that we're continuing to rise with our trend line here. So yeah, let's go back here and see what we can set. So for the time being, our trend line is looking like this. We are still trading. So yeah, if I were to say we have a short-term trend line, I would say it could be this right here. We could possibly go on a short-term downtrend if you want to do your day trades, but I don't think that we're gonna do too much like that. Like, we've just been having so much breakouts, like this could just break out at any moment now. So honestly, I would say if you don't have any Dogecoin, go ahead and buy more. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just saying, in my opinion, because we are going to continue to have more buying pressure leading into the day for Dogecoin, because there's just more market cap being added into the market day by day, especially by all these whales. Even if you look at the whales that are way back in the Dogecoin wallets, like let's look at the number 1005th Dogecoin here. Number 1005th Dogecoin wallet. They just now sold 1.8 million Dogecoin. So this isn't as big of a drop as it would with the top Dogecoin wallet. But you can see they do have way more buys than they do sells. But they look like they sold out earlier today. So yeah, they sold out at 59 cents. But little did they know that it ran up to 63 cents right after, all the way up to 66 cents. So you can bet that this wallet right here will probably end up buying more as Dogecoin goes down, because they want to get it below 59 cents, but it's probably not going to do that before Saturday Night Live unless we have a huge dip for no reason. And the reason would be, it would actually be the whales like we are talking about now. But yeah, look at this Dogecoin wallet here. This Dogecoin wallet sold 291k Doge, but they bought 568k earlier. But as you can see, there is a lot of buying and selling happening here with Dogecoin. They have 5.1 million Doge total, $3.2 million. So there are millionaires here in Doge, and they're still inside of Doge. So this has to say something about Doge. If all of these millionaires, there's literally thousands of millionaires here. Like the top richest wallets, it's 1,100 wallets that are the top richest wallets. So 1,100 wallets, 1,300. Like, we have so many rich people here with Dogecoin. Like, let's go all the way back to as far as it would let us go and see where we would go. How many millionaires are actually in Dogecoin? So wow, it looks like we have a lot of millionaires here in Dogecoin. That is so far 6,300. These are the millionaires right here. Well, some of them are even billionaires. The ones towards the top are billionaires, but remember. Yeah. So yeah, I think there's only 9,000 here, or yeah, somewhere around 9,000. They only do up to 9,000 really. Yeah, they do up to 9,900 of the top richest Dogecoin wallet. The last one inside of the line of top richest Dogecoin wallets. Let's see how much that is. So in order to get inside and qualify for the top richest Dogecoin wallets, you have to have 308k. So yeah, $308,000 and up to be inside the top richest Dogecoin wallets. Then you would be number 9,900, like this Dogecoin wallet here. But as you can see, they just now secured, or not just now, they secured this position way back in 2015. So yeah, way back in 2015, they were the 9,900th person here. They're probably richer back then, but look. Wow, okay. Wow, okay, so this person put $70 into Dogecoin. Look at this. This person put a total of $87 actually. $87 into Dogecoin in 2015. And now their $87 is worth 308k. So that is something to think about here. $87 in 2015 now gets them 300,000 today. So that is a huge increase. Whoever this is still holding it. So this is really big for Dogecoin that we have millionaires and people with six figures inside of here. This person got back in 2017 and they got back in with $754. So a total of $754 invested here, and they ended up getting a total of 308K out of that. So that's pretty cool. They did it in 2017. If they would have did it way back inside of 2015 like the other wallet, then they would only had to put in $71, but since they waited 2 years, they had to put in $754. So yeah, this is the next one, third one in line, also a 308K wallet. This one, they bought more on a third of this month. The last sell they had was in 2017. So you see, they had a lot of Doge leading up to this. They had 131K Doge. So they seen their money go up to 131K. And then they're like, okay, now I gotta definitely make it even more. So they put even more money into it. And then it continued to rise from there. So this is just what the top wallets are doing. It's definitely good to look at what the millionaires are doing in Doge. You kind of want to mimic their strategies, and a lot of them are buying and holding, and that looks like the best idea. Even back here, 2016, that's the last time they bought. They never sold. They bought it at $105, and now their $105 is worth $311,000. So these are all the gains being made here with Doge. Another wallet here. This one was they've been day trading and swing trading this, but as you can see, they made a bunch of money off it and then sold out. But yeah, a lot of money is being flowed through Doge right now, so this market cap is going to continue to change every day. So that's something we have to continue to watch here. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just watching Doge and following it, see where we are leading to, and looking at the facts here with Doge. And remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And you can now get Doge on Webull. And I'll be back with another video.